Hi guys! Niyan na po ko sa akong kusina. I'm here in my kitchen again. I'm going to make a simi-simi longganisa. So this is turkey, ground turkey. So I'm going to cook this simi longganisa. So I have to mix all my ingredients. I have the scallion, I have the cilantro or parsley, onion, garlic, scallion here. Okay, and I have a little bit of ginger. So I'm going to mix it in here. Okay, all my ingredients. I will mix. This is one of my husband's favorite. So mix all the ingredients, then I'll put sugar here. This one has 2 spoons, but let's say I will not put all. And then I will put a oyster sauce. Ooh, 1 spoon. And then I have fish sauce, patis. I'll put 1 spoon. I will taste it later and see what is the taste. And then I have a ground black pepper.